Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we got a dash and I'm super excited about it. Today, we are doing a double dash. It goes to a it's called 5-star pizza. Unfortunately, they're only rated 4.5 though. I checked the other day because I almost ordered from them when I was doing Doordash to my house the other day to the UFC. It's unfortunate, they're lying about their 5 stars. Just kidding. Okay, so today we're doing a daily dash, but it does have a second delivery. It is it was advertised as $10.50. It has 2 deliveries on it. One is alcohol though. So, if I've ever seen an order with a post tip, it is this one right here. So, it's actually like literally right down the street. Like you'll see how quick we get there. It's right around the corner from my house in Tampa Bay. So yeah, this is going to be my first double dash with a alcohol delivery on it. Stopping at 7-Eleven, and I wonder what they got. We'll see. So we're picking up, what is it, 1 pizza, but it is more than $2 a mile, but I feel like it should hopefully pay more than $10.50. I hope, at least. If they're having me deliver alcohol and do all this extra stuff, you know, it's a little bit extra to go pick up some alcohol. It's not that much. I just gotta show them my ID. And I am of age, in case you guys were wondering. I know I look like I'm 21. Just kidding. Everyone says that I look old because I got a bunch of wrinkles. But, well, maybe not everyone. But, anyways. Alright, so we are about to pull into the parking lot of 5-star, 4.5-star pizza. And, let's see, 5-star pizza. There it is, right there. Looks like there's pizza guys pulling out of the parking lot, too. I wonder how pizza delivery companies are doing nowadays with Doordash. Because even the other day I was like, man, I should just order directly from them. But I still ordered Doordash anyways because I was like, I kind of want to like watch the driver get closer and like, I don't know, support dashers. It's more important to me to support businesses that support me, you know? I dash, so I might as well dash. Anyways, alright, let's go pick this up. Be right back. Oh my god, this freaking pizza smells so good. So damn good. I wonder what kind it is. It smells really, really good. Not gonna lie. Might grab a slice of their pizza, hope they don't mind. Actually, I had pizza the other day, and freaking diarrhea for like 2 days. Just kidding, guys. Okay, so now we are on our way to 7-Eleven. Just picked up the pizza. Smells good. Let's see what's on this. Verify customer's ID at drop-off. Cool. I will do that. I do have questions about this customer, though. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Monday. They're ordering pizza and beer. What are you doing? It's Monday. You're supposed to be at work. I don't know. Maybe they don't work. Maybe they're on unemployment. I don't know. Maybe they're, I don't know. Do you guys, I don't know. I can't remember the last time I was ordering beer and, let's see. What are they actually picking up? Coke Zero, Fudge Brownie, Barefoot, Pinot Grigio. I do not know how to pronounce wine names. They are so confusing sometimes. Pinot, forget it. I'm not gonna try this anymore. I'm looking like a fool right now. Okay, and you guys know that I don't edit shit, so maybe I should stop cussing though. I feel like maybe that affects my ad revenue on Google. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Anyways, alright, we are almost to 7-Eleven. Conveniently right on the way, but I've passed 2 7-Elevens on the way, so it could have been any of those ones on the way. So, alright. Oh, looks like it delivers. Oh man, it looks like it delivers right next to the college. This is definitely college kids. College kids for sure. Her name is Amber. Maybe she's hot. Hopefully she's hot, actually. Because I'm wearing this nice spiffy shirt. Because I'm actually about to go to a restaurant. Well, it's a bar on the beach. It's called Hurricane in Tampa Bay. About to go there. I'm wearing swim trunks. Check this out. I'm wearing swim trunks with a freaking super nice button up. Most confusing clash of styles in the world, but I kind of like it. I think this might be my new thing, is swim trunks with dress shirts. I don't know. Anyways, maybe I'm starting a trend. Maybe it's probably not a trend, actually. I think Dan Bilzerian, the pimp dude, already does this. All right, anyways, be right back after I hit this pedestrian who is cross jaywalking. And then there's a cop doing a U-turn. Hopefully not to pull me over. All right, be right back. All right, as I was waiting in line, she's like, oh, you must be the Doordash driver. And I was like, yeah, for Amber. She's like, Amber orders so much Doordash. She's like our most frequent customer, but she never comes. And I was like, oh my God, that's hilarious. This girl freaking orders, it's literally right down the street. So we will see if this is a post tip or not. We are almost to her house. It's like literally right around the corner. I didn't get ID checked, but because you can tell I look like I'm 50. Just kidding, I don't know. How old do you guys think I look? And if you guys don't know how old I am, take a guess. But I'm older than 21, less than 40. I'll give you that. All right, we are almost there, almost there. It's right around the corner, and it is at the, looks like it's literally right outside the college. All right, FSU, I believe it is, Florida State University, or South Florida, I don't know actually. I think it's Florida State University. Anyways, be right back. Let's see what the word is on this post tip. Check it out. All right, Amber was definitely 21. She was actually 42, exactly. Double the age. And not a college kid. Looks like she's just having some people over. Fun little Monday afternoon event. She got some wine that I cannot pronounce. And yeah, so that was a quick, good delivery. We made $12.50, a whole $2 extra than we were promised. Saw that one coming. Some can call me Mystic Markley, because I predict these things. Comment down below if you get that reference. Mystic Markley, I predict these things. Alright, you know, kudos for whoever gets that reference. Anyway, so we are on our way back home real quick. I'm going to edit this video, upload it tomorrow. And thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. Got more awesome delivery videos, tips, tricks, business tips, money tips, fitness tips, financial advice, all kinds of good stuff. And then we got the fun reacting videos also, making fun of people. I love those. Those are my favorite. Gives me a chance to practice my comedy skits. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.